Namaste बच्चों. Today we are going to see Ram और सुग्रीव from बाल राम कथा. राम लक्ष्मण ऋष्यमुख पर्वत पर गए. सुग्रीव किष्किंधा के वानरराज के छोटे पुत्र थे. So Ram and Lakshman, they went to Rishyamukh mountain. Why they are going there? To meet Sugriv. As per Kaband and Sabri said to meet him, they are going there. Okay. Sugriv किष्किंधा के वानरराज के छोटे पुत्र थे. Sugriv was the younger son of Vanaraja of Kiष्किंधा. Okay. बड़े भाई का नाम बाली था and the elder brother's name was बाली. Okay. दोनों भाइयों में बहुत प्रेम था, परंतु राजकाज में किसी बात पर इतना झगड़ा हुआ कि बाली सुग्रीव की हत्या करने पर उतर आया. So they both were very lovable to each other. There was lot of love between the two brothers, but there was so much quarrel in the kingdom over something that Bali came down to kill Sugriva. अपनी जान बचाने के लिए सुग्रीव अपनी साथियों के साथ ऋष्यमुख पर्वत पर रहने लगा. टू सेव हिज लाइफ, सुग्रीवा along with his companions started to living on mountain ऋष्यमुख. एक दिन उसने पहाड़ी पर दो तपस्वी युवकों को आते देखा तो उसे लगा कि बाली के गुप्तचर हैं. So one day when he saw two youth, who they are? Ram and Lakshman. Okay. So who is seeing that? Sugriva is seeing one day two saint-like people were coming on the hill. He thought that Bali had spies. Hanuman explained it. Okay. हनुमान ने उसे समझाया कि बाली की सेना में ऐसे युवक नहीं हैं. Hanuman explained to him that there were no one such young man in the army of Bali. वह इन दोनों के बारे में पता लगाकर आते हैं. So he is explaining that they were not from Bali's army and he comes after finding about these two people. Okay. राम और लक्ष्मण पहाड़ी के पास बने सरोवर में हाथ मुंह धोकर आराम कर रहे थे. उसी समय हनुमान वेश बदलकर वहां पहुंच गए और उन लोगों से उनका परिचय पूछा. So what is happening? They were climbing the mountain, right? So they became tired. Rama and Lakshmana were resting after washing their hands and face in the lake near the hill. At the same time, Hanuman disguised himself. Okay, he changed his figure and he is coming to meet them. Okay, he himself changing his disguise and reached there and asked them for their introduction. He is asking about them. Who are them? Okay. राम लक्ष्मण ने अपना परिचय देकर बताया कि रावण सीता का अपहरण करके ले गया है. Ram and Lakshmanan introduced themselves and told that Ravana has kidnapped Sita and taken away her. Okay. वे कबंद और शबरी की सलाह पर सुग्रीव से सीता की खोज करने में सहायता मांगने आए हैं. So on the advice of Kaband and Shabri, they have come to ask Sugriva for help in finding सीता. हनुमान ने अनुमान लगा लिया कि राम और सुग्रीव दोनों को ही एक दूसरे की सहायता की आवश्यकता थी. So Hanuman guessed that both Rama and Sugriva needed each other's help. हनुमान राम और लक्ष्मण को अपने कंधे पर बैठाकर सुग्रीव के पास ले आए. So Hanuman carried Rama and Lakshmana on his shoulder and brought them to Sugriva. राम और सुग्रीव अग्नि को साक्षी मानकर मित्र बन गए. रामा एंड सुग्रीव became friends considering अग्नि as a witness. राम ने जब सीता हरण की बात कही तो सुग्रीव ने वानरों द्वारा लाए गए आभूषण उन्हें दिखाए जो सीता ने फेंके थे. So when Ram spoke of Sita's abduction, Sugriva showed him the ornaments brought by the monkeys which Sita had thrown. Okay, Sita was throwing her jewelries, no? So that was collected by some monkeys. That is given to Sugriva. Now he is showing those ornaments to Ram. राम और लक्ष्मण ने सीता के उन गहनों को पहचान लिया. Ram and Lakshman recognized that Sita's jewels. सुग्रीव ने उन्हें सीता की खोज करने का वचन दिया. सुग्रीव promised them to search for सीता. फिर सुग्रीव ने अपनी व्यथा कथा सुनाई कि कैसे भाली ने उसे राज्य से निकाल दिया था और उसकी पत्नी को छीन लिया था. So after that Sugriva he narrated his story. Okay, how Bali had expelled him from the country and he snatched his wife. राम ने उसे सहायता करने का वचन दिया. राम also promising him to help. सुग्रीव उनकी सुकुमारता को देखकर उनके वचन पर भरोसा नहीं कर सका क्योंकि भाली महाबलशाली था और वह 7 साल के वृक्षों को एक साथ झकझोरने की शक्ति रखता था. Sugriv could not believe his words by seeing his tenderness because Bali was very powerful. Ram is looking so tender, but Bali is very powerful. So he couldn't believe that how Ram is going to help him. So because Bali was very powerful and he had the power to shake even 7 shalki trees at once. Okay, he can even uproot 7 trees at once. राम ने बिना कोई उत्तर दिए अपने एक ही बाण से शाल के 7 विशाल वृक्षों को काट कर दिखा दिया तो उसे राम की शक्ति पर भरोसा हो. So Ram didn't say anything to console Sugriv. He did it. When Rama cut down 7 huge trees, shal trees, with a single arrow, without giving any answer, he was convinced of Ram's power. Okay, so he didn't give any explanation, any answer. He did it. Okay, so he convinced about Ram's power now. Sugriva is convinced about Ram's power. राम ने सुग्रीव को कहा कि वह बाली को युद्ध के लिए ललकारे. वे वृक्ष के ओट से युद्ध देखेंगे और जब उस पर संकट आएगा तो अपने बाण से बाली को मार देंगे. So Rama asked Sugriv to challenge Bali to battle. So he is saying, Ram is saying to Sugriv that you call Bali for fight. So he will watch that war from the cover of the tree, and when trouble comes to Sugriv, he will kill Bali. Okay. Sugriv ने वैसा ही किया. Sugriv did the same. दोनों में भीषण मल्लयुद्ध हुआ. सुग्रीव हारने लगा. There was a very terrible battle between the two, Bali and Sugriva. Sugriva started to losing the war. राम ने पेड़ के पीछे खड़े रहकर भी भाली को बाण नहीं मारा तो सुग्रीव वहां से भागकर ऋष्यमुख पर्वत पर आ गया. So when Ram did not shoot arrow on Bali, okay, so he was about to kill Sugriva. So what he can do now? He was started to run from there. Okay, Sugriva ran away from there and he reached ऋष्यमुख पर्वत. वह राम पर गुस्सा था. He was angry on Ram. राम ने उसे समझाया कि उन दोनों भाइयों के चेहरे मिलते जुलते थे इसलिए वे बाण नहीं चला पाए. Ram explained to him that the faces of those two brothers were similar, so he couldn't shoot an arrow. उन्होंने उसे दोबारा बाली से युद्ध करने के लिए भेजा और जब बाली सुग्रीव को मारने लगा तो उसे बाण से मार गिराया. So he is again explaining everything and he is again sending him to fight with Bali. He again sent him to fight with Bali, and when Bali started to hit Sugriva, he killed him with an arrow. तुरंत सुग्रीव का राज्याभिषेक किया गया और बाली के पुत्र अंगद को युवराज बना दिया. So immediately after the Bali's death, he made the Sugriva the king of Kishkinda, and he made Angad. Angad is Bali's son. Bali's son Angad was made the crown prince. वर्षा ऋतु होने के कारण सीता की खोज में लंका जाना संभव नहीं था. It was not possible to go to Lanka in search of Sita because it was rainy season. They couldn't start the travel. इस अवधि में राम और लक्ष्मण प्रश्रवन पर्वत पर रहने लगे. So during this period, Rama and Lakshmana were started to live in a Prashravana mountain. They were not staying with the Sugriva. Sugriva even called them to stay with him, but they were living in the mountain called Prashrava. वर्षा ऋतु बीत गई, परंतु सुग्रीव अपनी सेना के साथ नहीं पहुंचा. The rainy season also passed, but Sugriva did not reach with his army. लक्ष्मण ने किष्किंधा जाकर धनुष की टंकार की. So what he did, Lakshmana wants to remind Sugriva about his words. Lakshmana went to Kishkinda and tinkered with his bow. Okay. धनुष की टंकार की, जिसे सुनकर सुग्रीव को राम को दिया वचन याद आ गया. उसने हनुमान को वानर सेना एकत्र करने का आदेश देकर राम के पास जाकर क्षमा मांगी. So after hearing that bow sound, he got remembered about the promise given to Rama, and he ordered Hanuman to collect all the monkeys' army and asked from forgiveness for the delay. Okay, from Ram. राम ने उसे गले लगा लिया. राम hugged him. वानर दलों को 4 टोलियों में बांट दिया गया. They divided the monkeys in 4 groups. दक्षिण दिशा में जाने वाले दल के नेता अंगद बनाए गए. So Angad was made the leader of the party going in the south direction. राम ने हनुमान को अपने अंगूठी देकर कहा कि सीता से मिलने पर ये अंगूठी उन्हें देना तो वह पहचान जाएगी कि वह राम का दूत है. So Ram gave his ring to Hanuman and told him that if he met Sita, he has to give this ring to her. So she could have recognized that he was Ram's messenger. He is Ram's messenger. So she should identify that. That is why Ram is giving his ring to Hanuman. किष्किंधा से दक्षिण दिशा में चलकर ये दल जहां पहुंचा वहां आगे भूमि नहीं, केवल जल ही जल था. So they were going towards south direction. So wherever this team reached from Kishkinda in the south direction, there was only water and not a land ahead. There was no land ahead, only water. सब वहीं तक हार बैठ गए. So everyone sat there. They were exhausted. तभी वहां जटायु का भाई गिद्ध संपाति ने आकर उन्हें बताया कि सीता लंका में है. So then Jatayu's brother Vulture Sampati came there and told him that Sita was in Lanka. रावण उनको इधर से ही लेकर गया था. And he is also saying that Ravan had taken her from here only. वानर दल को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि इतने बड़े समुद्र को कैसे पार किया जाए. So now they are in confusion. Okay, Ravana took her to Lanka, but they cannot cross only water is there, only the sea, ocean is there. How the Vanar Sena will cross that? Okay, the group of monkeys could not understand how to cross such a big sea. Okay, तब जामावंत ने चुपचाप बैठे हुए हनुमान को कहा कि वह पवन पुत्र हैं. So then Jamavant was saying that to Hanuman. He was sitting quietly. He was not saying anything. He is going and saying to Hanuman that he was the son of Pavan, that is air god. Okay, Pavan Putra. यह कार्य वही कर सकते हैं. He can do this work. He only can do this work. उन्हें ही जाना होगा. He only have to go. So now Jamavant is motivating Hanuman to cross the sea. शब्दार्थ, there are some difficult words. पड़ाव, ठहरने की जगह, accommodation. Okay, halt or accommodation. निर्वासन, देश से निकालना, that is exiled. Okay, he is out from the country, right? That is called a निर्वासित. शिष्टता, अच्छा व्यवहार, good behavior. साक्षी, गवाह means witness. सांत्वना, तसल्ली, consolation. व्यताकता, दुख भरी कहानी, sad story. सुकुमार कोमल, very gentle or tender. मल्ल युद्ध, दो व्यक्तियों की कुश्ती, that is two man wrestling. कुपति कुपित, कुपित means क्रोधित, that is anger. धन्यवाद बच्चों.